A. Make sure the pedestrian sees you before proceeding. B. Cautiously drive around the pedestrian. C. Stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. Correct answer. C. Stop and let the pedestrian finish crossing. A. Closely behind the truck in bad weather because the driver can see farther ahead. B. Farther behind the truck than you would for a passenger vehicle. C. No more than 1 car length behind the truck so the driver can see you. Correct answer. B. Farther behind the truck than you would for a passenger vehicle. Brake and be prepared to stop. B. Slow down and watch for road construction workers and equipment. C. Drive through the zone as quickly as possible. Correct answer. B. Slow down and watch for road construction workers and equipment. Broken white lines on the left side of your lane. You are driving in A. A special lane for slow-moving vehicles. B. The carpool lane and must merge into the next lane. C. An exit lane. Correct answer. C. An exit lane. You should A. Look toward the right edge of your lane. B. Look straight ahead until your vision clears. C. Look toward the left edge of your lane. Correct answer. A. Look toward the right edge of your lane. Weather. A. They tend to freeze before the rest of the road does. B. They tend to freeze after the rest of the road does. C. They do not freeze because they are made of concrete. Correct answer. A. They tend to freeze before the rest of the road does. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beams to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep the instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Correct answer. A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. If your phone rings while you are driving and you do not have a hands-free device, you should A. Answer the call because it may be an emergency. B. Let the call go to voicemail. C. Check the incoming number before answering the call. Correct answer. B. Let the call go to voicemail. If you're driving on a freeway and the vehicle in front of you is a large truck, you should drive A. Closer behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. B. Further behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. Correct answer. B. Farther behind the truck than for a passenger vehicle. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are solid on both sides. Correct answer. A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. You should usually drive your vehicle slower when A. Passing large trucks on the freeway. B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. C. You want to look at a controlled accident scene. Correct answer. B. You see brake lights coming on several vehicles ahead of you. If you are convicted by the court of a first DUI offense, your driving privileges will be suspended for at least A. 1 month, B. 6 months, C. 1 year. Correct answer. B. 6 months. You're driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You should A. Maintain your speed and position. B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge. C. Speed up to pass the merging vehicle. Correct answer. B. Slow down to let the other vehicles merge. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A. Cannot see the vehicle directly to your right. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. C. Have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Correct answer. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. When you see a yellow school bus with its red lights flashing, you should A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Pass the bus quickly before the lights start flashing. Correct answer. A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. The speed limit in any alley is A. 15 miles per hour. B. 20 miles per hour. C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 15 miles per hour. When making a right turn from a highway with 2 lanes in your direction, you may turn from A. the lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. B. either lane depending on oncoming traffic. C. the left lane if the other lanes are occupied. Correct answer, A. the lane nearest the curb or edge of the roadway. To turn left from a one-way street onto a one-way street, start from A. the far right lane. B. the center lane. C. the lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C. the lane closest to the left curb. When you park on a hill with the vehicle facing uphill and there is no curb, you should A. turn the wheels sharply towards the side of the road. B. keep the wheels straight ahead. C. turn the wheels sharply away from the side of the road. Correct answer, A. turn the wheels sharply towards the side of the road. Only when pulling away from the curb. B. when pulling next to but not away from the curb. C. when pulling next to or away from the curb. Correct answer, C. when pulling next to or away from the curb. Cited for a traffic violation. B. sell or transfer your vehicle. C. paint your vehicle a different color. Correct answer, B. sell or transfer your vehicle. A. move toward the left side of your lane. B. avoid driving in the bicycle lane. C. signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C. signal for 100 feet before turning. Which of the following statements about blind spots is true? A. blind spots are eliminated if you have one outside mirror on each side of the vehicle. B. large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirrors. Correct answer, B. large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. Should A. slow down and cross the intersection carefully. B. stop before entering the intersection. C. proceed with caution but do not stop. Correct answer, A. slow down and cross the intersection carefully. A. over-the-counter medications cannot impair your driving ability. B. any medication is safe if prescribed by a doctor. C. most medications can impair your driving ability. Correct answer, C. most medications can impair your driving ability. You are driving on a 5-lane freeway in the lane closest to the center divider. To exit the freeway on the right, you should A. carefully cross all lanes at one time. B. change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. C. slow before beginning each lane change. Correct answer, B. change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. You must yield to a pedestrian using a white cane or guide dog. A. only if the pedestrian is obeying traffic controls. B. only if a crossing guard is present. C. at all times regardless of the situation. Correct answer, C. at all times regardless of the situation. What is the correct way to make a left turn from a one-way street onto a one-way street? A. turn into any lane. B. turn into the far left lane. C. turn into the lane closest to the left curb. Correct answer, C. turn into the lane closest to the left curb. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with one lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A. help prevent traffic congestion. B. increase your chances of an accident. C. get you to your destination faster. Correct answer, B. increase your chances of an accident. When driving in fog, you should use your A. high beams, B. low beams, C. fog lights only. Correct answer, B. low beams. And A. avoid driving in the bicycle lane. B. move toward the left side of your lane. C. signal for 100 feet before turning. Correct answer, C. signal for 100 feet before turning. Before proceeding. B. let all vehicles that arrive before or after you go first. C. check traffic behind you. Correct answer, A. Check traffic in all directions before proceeding. You are required to wear your safety belt in a moving vehicle. A. Unless the vehicle was manufactured before 1978. B. Unless you are riding in a limousine. C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. Correct answer. C. And failure to do so will result in a traffic ticket. If you are driving and you see animals standing near the edge of the road, you should A. Speed up to scare them away. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. C. Swerve to avoid hitting them. Correct answer. B. Slow down and proceed with caution. Of way. B. Should first stop and check for cross traffic. C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. Correct answer. C. Need at least a 4-second gap in traffic. You are driving on a city street and see an emergency vehicle with flashing lights behind you. What should you do? A. Drive to the right edge of the road and slow down. B. Drive to the right edge of the road and stop. C. Stay in your lane, slow down, and let it pass. Correct answer. B. Drive to the right edge of the road and stop. You are approaching an intersection. The traffic signal light is flashing red. What should you do? A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. C. Proceed as if the light is green. Correct answer. B. Stop before entering, then proceed when safe. If you have trouble seeing other vehicles because of dust or smoke blowing across the roadway, you should drive slower and turn on your A. Parking lights. B. Headlights. C. Emergency flashers. Correct answer. B. Headlights. Two sets of solid double yellow lines that are 2 or more feet apart. A. May be crossed to enter or exit a private driveway. B. Should be treated as a separate traffic lane. C. May not be crossed for any reason. Correct answer. C. May not be crossed for any reason. You are driving on the freeway and notice another driver using a handheld cell phone. What is the best thing to do? A. Honk your horn and wave to the driver to stop using the phone. B. Increase your following distance. C. Get closer to the vehicle so the driver can see you. Correct answer. B. Increase your following distance. A school bus ahead of you in your lane is stopped with red lights flashing. You should A. Stop, then proceed when you think all the children have exited the bus. B. Slow to 25 miles per hour and pass cautiously. C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. Correct answer. C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. The safest precaution that you can take regarding the use of cellular phones and driving is A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. B. Keep your phone within easy reach so you won't need to take your eyes off the road. C. Review the number before answering a call. Correct answer. A. Use hands-free devices so you can keep both hands on the steering wheel. What should you do at an intersection with a flashing yellow signal light? A. Stop before crossing the intersection. B. Slow down and cross carefully. C. Stop and wait for the light to change. Correct answer. B. Slow down and cross carefully. If you are involved in a traffic collision, you are required to complete and submit a written report SR1 to the DMV. A. Only if you are at fault. B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. C. Only if you or the other driver is injured. Correct answer. B. If there is property damage of $750 or more, or if there are any injuries. Use then posted speed limits. B. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. C. Always drive at the same speed as traffic around you. Correct answer. B. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 20 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 15 miles per hour. Correct answer. C. 15 miles per hour. You may legally block an intersection. A. Under no circumstances. B. When you entered the intersection on the green light. C. During rush hour traffic. Correct answer A, under no circumstances. To avoid last-minute moves, you should be looking down the road to where your vehicle will be in about A, 5 to 10 seconds, B, 10 to 15 seconds, C, 15 to 20 seconds. Correct answer B, 10 to 15 seconds. Which of these vehicles must always stop before crossing railroad tracks? A, motorcycles. B, tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. C, vehicles pulling trailers. Correct answer B, tank trucks marked with hazardous materials placards. 5 miles per hour. B, 20 miles per hour. C, 15 miles per hour. Correct answer A, 25 miles per hour.